everyone, it's Carolyn. Welcome back to Contemporary Mama. Today's video is going to be an extreme car clean out. I usually keep my car really clean, but in this quarantine, it has gotten completely trashed. About once a week, I like to take my kids out and head to the drive-thru as a little treat and also just to get out of the house. So I have tons of trash and things have just gotten out of control in there. So I'm going to take you along and hopefully give you some extreme cleaning motivation to get your car cleaned out as well. So I'm going to get this process started by removing my kids' car seats from my car so I could really get out all the trash and all of the crumbs. So I have two bags here, one where I'm going to be putting things that I need to keep and bring inside the house, and then another bag that I'm using for garbage. And hopefully this is a no judgment zone. There is a ton of trash in my car. I'm long overdue for cleaning this thing out.
There is something to be said about how you feel.
All right, my car no longer looks like a dumpster, but it is covered in crumbs. My kids always eat in the car, so that is why I have this nice car seat cover that I'm just going to go ahead and remove. I'm also removing that mirror from behind my daughter's car seat. So after I give this thing a really good shake, I'm actually going to stick that in the wash. So I also removed my mats, and my husband grabbed the power washer for me. So I'm just giving those a quick spray and getting them really clean, and then I'll just let those air dry out in the sun.
You walk on by and sting my heart with doubt. Did you notice how I fell hard?
It's time to actually start the cleaning process. So I'm just using all-purpose spray and a microfiber cloth to clean off the dashboard. And then I have some of these kind of disposable cleaning cloths that were just really handy in getting in all the grooves and crevices of the front of my car.
Time I try to call you up, the line is always busy. And when I see you on the street, I know I never want to be alone. All the time I wish for more, a way to sweep you off the floor. The simple things we're made of. The simple things we're made of.
I'm finishing up by just wiping down all the door jambs and all the door handles, just getting rid of any fingerprints and scuff marks and crumbs that might be hiding in there. As you can see, I have grabbed my cordless Dyson and I am just giving my car a vacuuming. My dog does ride in the back seat in between the car seats, so there was quite a bit of dog hair that I was trying to get up. And then I'm going to go ahead and tackle the floors of my car too, just trying to get up again all those crumbs and the dog hair and who knows what else was back there. But I did manage to get almost everything out.
Will you ever be in love with me? Share a piece of your emotion? Or will I stay here in the back and see how you squander your devotion? All the time I wish for more.
I have to say this is one of the most technically challenging videos I have ever created. Getting the right angles filming inside a car was so difficult.
To sweep you off the floor. The simple things we're made of. The simple things we're made of.
I'm I'm just gonna quickly finish up by vacuuming out all the crumbs in my kids' car seats. I'm just gonna give them a quick wipe down. I decided I didn't need to pull off the covers and wash those. They weren't that dirty. They just had some crumbs in there. So once those are all wiped out, I can have my husband put those back in the car for me.
You will never see me cry. When I hear your last goodbye. Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking, feeling like you're on the run. Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking, tell me, am I number one? Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking.
All right, by now my mats are all dry, so I'm just gonna put those back down in my car. Since it's all cleaned out, those can go back in.
Feeling like you're on the run. Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking, tell me, am I number one?
So now that the inside is all clean, it's time to work on the outside. The car wash near my house is a no contact one. You can just pay at this little machine. So now it is nice and shiny on the outside and nice and clean on the inside. All right, so here it is all done. The dashboard all wiped down. The inner console all cleaned out. All the floors are vacuumed. The mats power washed. The car seats are cleaned out. The goldfish graveyard is gone. Jake, what do you think? How's the car look?
Lovely.
Lovely?
Yeah.
Thanks. Mama did a good job?
Nice.
Okay.
Do you want to see me do it first time?
Yeah, everyone wants to see. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found it motivating. Let me know if after watching this you are going to be heading out to your car and cleaning it out as well. I'm sure it's long overdue for most of us. So again, I want to thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on Friday with another brand new video. Bye!
I hope you like the inside of Mama's car because it's so festive. If you see Mama do her car wash again, just click her video and bye-bye. See you next